Welcome back to Sprintzeal Weekly's Everyday AI. Today's episode, Tips for Using AI Writing Tools Effectively. Let's quickly recap what you've learned. Why use AI for writing? AI tools elevate your writing process, enhancing clarity and engagement. AI tools for idea generation. Tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai help generate creative ideas quickly. Perfecting your writing. Grammarly aids in refining grammar, style, and tone for professionalism. Automatic routine writing tasks. Design AI and Copy AI streamline drafting emails and reports efficiently. Now, it's time to implement these AI tips. Explore these tools to enhance your writing and save valuable time. Want more insights? Watch our full video for a complete understanding. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.